Hi guys and welcome to Car Focused. Today's episode should be quite interesting. I've finally bitten the bullet, so to speak, and I've gone for a remap for the Focus RS, my Focus RS. Now, having considered a couple of companies, i.e. Mountune with the 375 kit, and also looking into Dreamscience with their imap, I decided to try the Dreamscience just to be a little bit different. The Mountune kit, fully installed, it comes to around £1,000, between £900 and £1,000, which for 25 brake horsepower is quite a lot of money in my opinion. As good as Mountune are, I've obviously used their stuff before and I've really enjoyed their products. But this Dreamscience imap that they're offering is £445, so it's quite a, it's quite a reduction in price. So I thought I would give it a go. Now basically, with this kit, what you get is you get the handset, which is used to control the device. Obviously, you get your OBD cable, and you get a micro USB cable to plug into the laptop to install any updates which are needed. Now the handset itself comes preloaded with 5 maps. You get Race 99, Race 99 Plus, which are the older Stage 1 maps for the car. You get the Ultima map, which is the newer Stage 1 map for the car, can be used on a completely standard Focus RS. You get the Ultima 2 and the Ultima Plus, which I believe are Stage 2 maps, but work better with some hardware, so a downpipe, decat, upgraded intake, just the things like that, intercooler. But they can be used on a standard car also, so I've been told. Now basically, to install it, I believe it's quite straightforward. Providing the handset needs no updates. If it does, it's just a case of plugging it into your laptop with a Windows software, going onto the Dreamscience website and uploading the latest software to the flash device. If that doesn't need doing, it's just a case of plugging this into the OBD port of your car, attaching it to that, and then following the on-screen instructions and selecting the map you require. And once that's uploaded to the car, you are good to go. Now, in relation to warranties and having your car worked on by Ford, you can return the car to stock with the use of the handset, so you can completely eradicate any sign of the map from your car's ECU. So if you are taking your car into Ford for some work, warranty work, or just a service, if you leave the map on the car and Ford then run an ECU flash and an update, a software update, you will lose the map. And the only way you can get the map back is to go to Dreamscience and have them reinstate it to your device. So you need to return to stock before taking your car to Ford for any reason. So yeah, that's it. It comes in a nice little box, packaged nicely, swift delivery as well. I had a next day delivery, but I think that's enough talking about it. I think we should go to the car now, get it plugged in, get it uploaded, and we'll go for a drive and we'll see exactly how it feels. We'll do my first reaction with a map on the car. Let's go. So the map's been installed. I've gone for the DS Ultima 2 Plus map, which is the top map, and according to the guys at Dreamscience, this map will give you around 45 brake horsepower and 80 foot-pound of torque, which is quite a lot. Now, this is literally the first time I've got in the car and driven since putting the map on the car. Now I'm just waiting for the oil temp to rise, but what I can say is, just literally pootling around, the car feels much more eager. Under initial throttle, it feels much more eager. Now the whole installation process was pretty straightforward. Obviously had to run the update with the laptop, but that didn't take very long. I just had to install the updater program, plug the device in, and then we were away. But this is what it's been all about. This has been the moment. Now I think we'll do a third gear. Hell, he was going a bit fast. I think we'll stick it in third and try that out. Oh my god. That was literally just a stab on the throttle. Wow. Wow. That is amazing. First impressions. Wow. That is amazing, man. That's mental. The car just feels so much more alive. Wow. I said before, in stock form it was quick, but it felt a bit strangled. God, that is quick. Let's get on the brakes, there's a van coming. Here's a nitrous blue RS. British gas fan. Oh, it's so progressive. Oh, it's so hard to explain, but you get more of a sensation of actually pinning you in your seat. And in fourth gear just then, it was a constant feeling of being pushed back in your seat. But yeah, as I said before, in stock form, the car feels strangled, but it just feels like, imagine if the car had something around its airway. It's now been released and it can breathe properly. Wow. It really is amazing what a remap can do, just literally plugging it in. Jesus. Oh my lord. Amazing. I think this is how the car should have come out of the factory. God. Wow, that is sensational. What I will say is, when you initially accelerate, there's a slight delay, there's a second delay, and then it wakes up and then it goes, which is a little bit of a weird sensation. But no, it just feels so much more alive. Oh. What I will also say, I'm in normal mode, I need to be in sport mode. Let's go in sport mode. Guys, this is, I'm not just making it up, but the difference is phenomenal. It really is phenomenal. Now, when I had my Fiesta ST, when I had that mount tune with the MP215, it took me a while to kind of notice it because it was mainly torque, whereas this is just pure power. It really is amazing. Now, let's have a look. So third gear, let's go into fifth gear at 50 mile an hour and see what the pickup's like. Oh, very good, very good. Right, so we're at 3.5, third gear. Wow, wow. You're definitely getting the feeling of being, like, as I said before, that sort of G-force being pushed back in your seat feeling, sort of going through your body, which you didn't get before with a standard car. I'm getting a bit more induction noise as well. Now I'm running the K&N air filter and the Mountune boost pipe, which goes from the air filter to the crossover. I'm going to upgrade the crossover pipe as well, but I can definitely hear the additional noise from the filter where it's drawing in more air. But no, what a transformation, guys. Really happy. I mean, obviously it's only first impressions. It'll be interesting to see what it's like to sort of live with day to day. Awesome. So effectively, well, if the figures are right, I should be running about 395 horsepower now, which is absolutely mental. From pretty much a stock car, so just from a tune. It's really good, really impressed. So there, guys, I hope you found this video useful of installation and a first review. I think we need to do some more videos on the other maps. Wow, how literally plugging a device into your car can change it so much is beyond me. That is awesome. So anyway, guys, as always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave some comments in the discussion below the video, whether you're interested in getting this map, whether you've considered different maps like Revo, Mountune, you know, those kind of brands, and if you have got those, what you think of them. Also, let me know if this video has inspired you to buy one of these maps, because for the money, can you have more fun? Who knows? So until the next video, guys, take care, and I'll see you soon.